我係 Judy 劉老師，我有好多學生都唔係好清楚呢個 I would 同埋 I could 嘅用法喎，所以今日呢，我又去講一講啦。咁 I would 就有6種用法嘅。好啦，第一種呢，就係表達一啲偏好啦。I would like a cup of coffee， 我想要一杯咖啡。I would prefer to stay at home tonight， 我今晚更加想係喺屋企。第二種呢，就係提出一個禮貌嘅請求喎。I would ask if you could help me with this problem。我想問下你可唔可以幫我手解決呢個問題呢？ I would offer you a ride if you need it。就係話如果你需要嘅話，我就可以載你一程。所以先頭 I would offer you a ride if you need it 就係禮貌咁樣給予一個建議啦。好啦，咁第4種嘅情況就係去談論一個假設嘅狀況喎。If I won the lottery, I would buy a big house。哇！如果我中咗彩票，我就會買一間大屋啦。I would travel around the world if I had no financial constraint。如果我冇經濟上嘅限制呢，我就一定會環遊世界嘅。好啦，咁第5種用法係咩呢？就係去表達過去嘅習慣啦。When I was a child, I would always go to the park on Sundays。就係話我細個嘅時候呢，我總會喺星期日呢就去公園嘅。好啦，最後一種呢，就係愛嚟陳述或者講一個觀點呢，係講得婉轉啲喎。I would think that the plan needs some improvement。就係話我認為呢個計劃需要有一啲改進。咁相比呢，等陣嗰句呢，就係 The plan needs improvement。呢個計劃需要改進。咁係唔係嗰個 I would 嗰個會比較婉轉啲呢？再聽多次啦。I would think that the plan needs some improvement。嗱，呢個係婉轉啲嘛，係咪？好啦，咁跟住呢，我哋就講呢個 I could 嘅幾種用法嘞噃。咁基本上呢，就有5種用法嘅。第一個呢，就愛嚟表達過去嘅能力喎。When I was young, I could run very fast。哇！我後生嗰陣時咧，可以走得非常之快噶。第二個就係提出建議或者給予幫助喎。I could help you with your project if you need it。就係話如果你需要嘅話咧，我可以幫你做呢個項目嘅。第3個用法就係表達一啲可能性喎。It could rain later, so you might want to bring an umbrella。哇！等陣呢可能會落雨㗎噃，所以呢你或者需要帶把遮啦。第4種嘅用法就提出禮貌嘅請求喎。Could I have a glass of water, please？ 就係話請問可唔可以俾一杯水我呢？嗱，相比呢個 can 呢就更加禮貌啦。個比較就係話 Could I have a glass of water, please？ 呢個禮貌啲。如果你改做Can I have a glass of water？ 咁呢個就硬好多啦，係咪啊？好，第5種就係假設嘅情況咯喎。If I had more time, I could read more books。就係話如果我有更多嘅時間，我就可以讀更多嘅書啦。好啦，嗱咁樣今日呢，我哋就總結咗 I would 同埋 I could 嘅幾種用法啦。嗱，咁各位同學，一定係要多啲練習喎，多啲練習呢，咁你就會用得非常之順暢啦。而如果需要嘅話呢，歡迎大家呢係嚟我嘅課堂嗰度呢，一齊去研究嘅。好，下次見。